Imagine waking up, dropping to the floor, and knocking out 100 push-ups. Sounds intense, right? But what if you did it every single day for a month or even longer? The internet is full of fitness challenges, but this one has been around for years, promising increased strength, endurance, and even a more sculpted upper body. Push-ups are a powerhouse exercise that primarily target your chest, pectorals, shoulders, deltoids, and triceps. Doing 100 push-ups a day forces these muscles to adapt and grow. Over time, you'll notice increased muscle definition and strength. However, if you're already somewhat fit, your gains may plateau after a while. Push-ups don't just work your upper body, they also challenge your core. Your abs, obliques, and lower back engage to keep your body in a straight line during the movement. After a few weeks of consistent push-ups, you may feel your core tighten and become more stable, which can lead to better posture and even reduce lower back pain. Push-ups require muscular endurance. Doing 100 a day forces your body to adapt. At first, you might struggle to finish even 20 in a row, but over time, your stamina will increase. By week 2 or 3, you'll likely breeze through multiple sets without feeling completely drained. This increased endurance benefits not just your upper body. While push-ups build muscle and endurance, they also put stress on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. If you're not careful, repetitive movements can lead to overuse injuries like tendinitis or joint pain. To minimize this risk, warm up before starting. Use proper form. Listen to your body. Pain is a sign to back off or adjust your technique. Push-ups alone won't magically burn belly fat, but they do help increase overall calorie burn. If you pair daily push-ups with a healthy diet and other forms of exercise, you'll likely see body fat reduction and increased muscle tone. A full body workout routine combined with push-ups will be more effective than push-ups alone if weight loss is your goal. Beyond the physical changes, committing to 100 push-ups a day builds mental toughness. It takes discipline to show up daily, especially when your muscles are sore, or you just don't feel like it. Pushing through builds resilience, both physically and mentally. Many who complete the challenge say the biggest benefit isn't just muscle gain. Not everyone will experience the same results. If you're a beginner, you'll likely see rapid strength gains and noticeable muscle changes. If you're already fit, the impact will be smaller unless you add variations to keep challenging your muscles. Consider splitting push-ups into multiple sets and incorporating different push-up variations. While it won't replace a full body strength training routine, it can improve upper body strength, endurance, and mental resilience. Just remember, progressive overload is key. If you want long-term muscle growth, you'll eventually need to add more resistance or different exercises to keep challenging your body.